Okay guys, so we've got another new update for inside LeadBlasta. This time we can export as PDF. Now what we can do is once you have an app completed like I have got here, you can see I've got my categories, and inside categories I've got items, and some items have got bullet points, etc, etc, and some of them even have hyperlinks, etc as well. All of that should be in place when we export it. So what we do is we go into the actions, and then we can come down to download into PDF. And give it a second, it needs to do the work in the background, and then it's going to give us this pop-up. I'll just click on here to save it. I'll save it in the downloads. Okay, now if I go into my downloads and I open this up, just bear with me a second, I'm using a second screen here so that I don't get in my own way when I'm doing the video. Just bear with me. You can see here that now we have got a checklist. Okay, if I scroll down, it's got clickable links. Just click on cancel, and here we go. Okay, now what you can do from here is you can copy all of that, and you can basically put this into a blog post. You can take this PDF and you can syndicate it on Fiverr.com, for example, or you can use our content synd service, and we distribute, I think it's to 20 sites with the content synd service. And what we do with that then is we're using traffic sites. So for example, we would use some PDF sites. Okay, we would also use some forums. We would use Quora Answers. We would use medium.com and places like that. So you can syndicate your content starting from here. It just makes it really easy, and all of them can link back to your Chrome extension to make sure that you're driving traffic and getting backlinks all at the same time. Or if you just want to go over to Fiverr.com and get somebody to take your PDF and syndicate it, there you go, it's all ready. Or just copy and paste it into a blog post. You can do that as well if that's what you want to do. Nice and simple, powerful, and gives us a lot more possibilities at the click of a button to be able to take things a lot further, whether you want backlinks, whether you want to chase traffic, whether you want to hand out something like this with your affiliate links. Say for example you've got affiliate links and you just want to give somebody 20 traffic strategies, for example, inside your checklist, then you can have the PDF version of that and say to people, here, have it for free. If you want, you can get the Chrome extension, the interactive Chrome extension version. Just go over here and you can have your affiliate links embedded into something like that as well. Nice addition, powerful stuff, and it looks good as well. It looks, good enough that we can use with confidence. There's nothing to be ashamed about here. There's nothing embarrassing about this. We didn't think it was going to come out as well as it did, but it has come out really well, and in place that it did. So that gives us that extra edge for content marketing, because LeadBlasta has turned into a content marketing tool now. It's not just a checklist tool. You can do so much with it. We've got the ability that we can put in here videos, and we can even trim the videos at the start and at the end, and we can put in here multiple calls to action. We've got these banner ads, and now if you've got like as many Chrome extensions as what I've got about 41 right now, and you want to update all of these banner ads at one time, you can now do that. If you want to send push notifications to everybody who installed any of your apps, you can do that from within LeadBlasta as well. If you want to collect their telephone number and send them SMS, you can do all of that within LeadBlasta as well. This is a powerful tool. It's a content marketing tool now, as well as a syndication tool. So we've got the PDF, we've got the SMS marketing, we've got the push notifications, and we can collect emails when people install these. So they install it, then when they go to open it, there's an email opt-in form. So they've already taken that initial first step. We've made them take that first step before they're presented with the email opt-in, and it's got a very high conversion rate at that point to get the email, so that we get the double verification. You get that person onto your email list. What you can do then is you can have some funnels set up. Okay, you can have funnels set up from the email marketing side. So we're able to build targeted email lists using this without any landing pages, without any complicated funnels. The landing page is the Chrome extension installation page, if you think about it. Okay, so when they actually opt in, they have already installed your Chrome extension, and then you follow up immediately. You can do a redirect from inside the LeadBlasta settings, so that when they have confirmed, you can send them to any URL that you want. You can also do the same thing with your autoresponder settings in your own autoresponder. So if you're using Aweber, for example, you can do the same thing there. So you could have two redirects happening, one from LeadBlasta, one from your autoresponder, to different places. Okay, and at that point we can do some more interesting funnels, so we can get into email marketing funnels. Okay, at that point, that means that we can do things like viral marketing, so we can present them with an offer to go and get something else if they share with their friends. So they share with their friends using very, very, very simple and free viral marketing scripts that we can use for the purpose of getting them to share and bring in or refer maybe 2 or 3 more people. And when they refer 2 or 3 more people, they activate a gift or a giveaway for them, and it goes on and on. So the new people come in, they're presented with the same opportunity, etc., so on and so forth. So this is really powerful stuff. It starts with the LeadBlasta checklist. These are content marketing apps. I used to map out my blog posts using stuff like this. Now I don't even do blog posts. This is so much more powerful. It's so much quicker, so much more powerful. You can knock out one of these in a day easily, absolutely easily. If I did a blog post from all of this, it's going to take me some time, believe me. I did it, and you can see here, to do the blog post for this, it actually took me about 3 days to do the blog post, and it took me only about half a day to do the actual checklist itself. And here's the blog post, because you have to format, you have to make it nice, it takes time. It's content marketing, but so is this. So is this, and it's doing all the heavy lifting for you. It's collecting the email, it's getting targeted traffic. The Chrome store pages, they rank very, very, very easily, and you can go and check the rankings for this. Go and have a look, and I would suggest for the keyword YouTube SEO, have a look at the top 3 or 4 keywords. Go into the search in Google, you will find my checklist in there, because that's the power of the Chrome store. That's the power of the Chrome store app, not because I'm so great at SEO or anything that I did. It's the Chrome store is really powerful for ranking. You can rank, and they are like landing pages. You are ranking landing pages if you are using LeadBlasta to build these apps, because they will build your email list with the opt-in forms. They will build your SMS list if you want to ask them to give you a telephone number. They will automatically get people put onto a push notifications list, so that you can send them push notifications. Even if they didn't confirm the email, you can still send them push notifications at that point. Powerful, powerful stuff. Thank you for watching.